My name is Saurabh.
Guys, this is Farhan.
With us.
Hi Gaurang, this is Paritosh.
You can see the size of my forehead. You can imagine, like, I've been losing hairs from last 10-11 years.
This was me just a year ago. I was bald and I was not happy about it.
Hi guys, my name is Ashutosh Lodhi. I am a 36-year-old physician working in US for the past few years.
From last 4 years, I was suffering from baldness.
I've had my hair loss over a few years now, and my hairline's been receding even longer than that.
I searched a lot of doctors, I considered a lot of doctors, a lot of treatments.
I did a lot of research, and finally I decided to go with MedLinks. And one of the key reasons as well that I decided with MedLinks is, first of all, based on my own research, not only based on my research and also based on some advices that I got, I decided to go with MedLinks.
And then finally, I met Dr. Gaurang Krishna. And in the first meeting itself, me and my wife knew that our 2-year-long research and search for getting the perfect person to do my hair transplant had finally come to an end.
Suffering some hair loss, it was pretty extensive. We decided to explore different options. We explored the strip method, the FUE, and the robotic system, and we went with the robot. And it was a very poor experience. So we started exploring other options, and I came across Dr. Krishna's clinic. And Dr. Krishna is from Ivy League Institute in India, from All India Institute of Medical Sciences. And he has perfected his own technique, which is on his website. And the technique made sense to me technically, because they didn't keep the hair stored for very long.
But then when I came here, I saw a video of Vin on YouTube and I got convinced.
And I think this was the right time to get the surgery done.
So I've just arrived here at MedLinks in Delhi. So far so good, right before surgery. Excited, nervous at the same time.
Before the time of surgery, I was a bit nervous.
Today is my second session. Crown area. So I'm not nervous. I'm excited about it. I want to get it done, and everything so far so good. It's all good now.
And I met Dr. Gaurang as well. So he very clearly told me that what's the procedure going to be, what's the perfect eye technique is, and the price is, everything. And I got convinced and I got it done.
They gave me a very thorough briefing so far, pre-surgery, which was very helpful. And they were very realistic and patient. I had a lot of questions. They explained all the risks that are involved, which is hardly any, but they're very clear about what I can expect. I think that's very important and this is also one of the reasons I chose to go with MedLinks, is not just because of their reputation, but also, before arriving here, I've had many questions, and they've, explained all the pros, but also the cons. They did not, make things look better than they are. They didn't put glitter.
But at the time of the surgery, the Dr. Gaurang and their team took good care of me. उन्होंने सर्जरी से पहले मेरी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें, काफ़ी टेस्ट लिए गए, जिसमें I felt very much confident कि हाँ, everything is going well.
Okay, we're done now. Went very fast actually. I feel great, very normal. I'm a little bit numb, especially here from the anesthesia, but that's about it. I must say the team handled it very professionally. Again, time flew by. They made sure I was comfortable all the time, even put on some music. It was absolutely painless. So looking back, it went quite fast, even though you're laying down for a couple of hours. Just like a tattoo, if you will.
This video I took was right after the surgery, and I had a little bit of swelling on that day.
So I've just come out of the surgery, and it went well. It went all right so far. it wasn't painful. Maybe a few pricks you feel here and there, but you don't really feel much pain.
So yeah, it looks like they really look after you. Even in the next few months, they want to keep contact and just check up and follow my progress.
So you can see the back area looks really good. You don't see any holes or any blood or anything like that on the back side. This was me after the first wash. I am loving this hairline, to be honest. So whenever I'm sitting in my car, I'm looking at my mirror all the time. The back area looks nice. No scars, no blood stains. So as you can see, the results are amazing. Everybody, trust me, everybody, all of my friends have told me that I look like a young guy now from a 30-plus-year-old uncle. Now I look like a young guy.
Thank you for actually giving me strength. And it's just fine. You can see.
And I'm glad that I, got to know about him and finally got my transplant from him. This is how my results were at the 4th month after the transplant. My look had completely changed, although there was a lot of growth pending. And by the 5th month, I had a proper hairstyle.
It was a tremendous journey. I feel very confident. It's been 3 years now. Thank you so much, sir. And I really got my old look back, and I feel very confident talking to people and all.
And I'm more than happy to report that my transplant is looking good today. I had grade 5 baldness in my front. In the front, roughly 3,000 grafts were used. So I'm a happy customer.
Result is great. It's a lot of hair actually, and it's been like this for a while, like a month or even 2, but it's just getting a bit more thicker and longer. And I can sense that it's still getting a bit thicker, but no, I'm very happy with the results. It came out much better than I expected.
And as you can see, it's grown really well. I'm happy with it. It's a lot better than a lot of people that have done transplants elsewhere.
This growth, I'm very satisfied and I'm very happy with this.
I feel amazing. Seriously, as I told you, I feel a lot more confident. In fact, in my office when I'm giving presentations, I'm much better than before. So it's worth it.
This is my 3rd PRP session, and all the staff, everything is like very friendly. And nobody knows that I went for a hair transplant, and it's only me, you, and my mother, or the staff of the MedLinks.
So it looks pretty natural. I got my confidence back.
Very happy with the result.
So overall, I think the team here did a great job. We were very happy with the care we received here and the attention to detail.
I would recommend to everybody who's going for the hair transplant. MedLinks, I would say, is the best hair transplant in Delhi, or I would say in India.
I highly recommend Dr. Krishna's clinic here and his work and his team of members who are very professional.
It's been 1 whole year since my transplant, and this has been one of the best decisions I have made in my life.
This was the best decision of my life. Seriously, I look like a young guy now from a 30-plus-year-old uncle.
I would recommend Dr. Gaurang, MedLinks for sure.
I would definitely recommend going to India and not just going to any clinic, because there's a lot of them that will, do a really bad job. You go to MedLinks and see Dr. Krishna, and you can make a holiday out of it, and you'll get a great job out of it, unlike your local place, because he's done so many of them. So thank you. Bye.
Thank you very much.